How do I get my landing page to convert? That's a big question, of course. In today's video, we will go over 2 different landing pages that convert really well, and I will show you why and how you can do this by yourself. Hi, my name is EcombyNik, and welcome to a new video. In this video, we will look at some landing pages and how they are structured, and this is my own landing pages, and they are converting really well. The first one is built on Shrine theme, and the other one is built by Atlas AI, and these are the 2 things I use to build my landing pages today, and I will leave a link to them below at the top of the video. But first, before we jump into the video, some electrolytes. I'm gonna go out for a run later when this video is done, so I just need to fuel myself up a little bit, and that can be good to do before the video also, of course. Perfect. Okay, let's start. So we're jumping into the first landing page. Here are the first landing page, and this is built on Shrine. And like I said, I will leave a link to Shrine below. So how is this structured? When you come in, you have, of course, the title of the product first. Then you have some social proof. You have some bullet points. And then we have our offer, because the customers, I think it's like 80% of customers never go below the add to cart. So this is the most important section of your store. Here is where you really need to grab your customer so they will stay at your landing page. And how do we do that? Of course, they have seen the ad. Here we just need to convince them a little bit more that this is a product they are looking for. And we do that, we're showing directly we have social proof that we are real, because we need to get the customer to trust us. Why should they trust us? A regular dropshipping site, we need them to think that it's not a regular dropshipping site. This is a real brand. So how we do that is, of course, directly with our product photos. That should be really branded. It should be micro-branded. First the product, then you're showing the product in action, and then you have a lifestyle photo. Then directly, like I said, social proof. Then we have the bullet points of the product, and then we have a really, really good offer, of course, for our customer. In this case, it's a quite low-ticket product. So how I sold this was that I didn't want to sell one, because it's a low-ticket product. I can't get that to go to get profitable with running ads. So I wanted the AOV up, so I can run some profitable ads for it, of course. So I was pushing it like $19. This is a Swedish krona because I'm here, but 19 kronor for one plus shipping. And the second one is buy 2 get 5, so you get 3 free, and you also get a free gift. You put it in the washer machine, and they also remove hair. So it goes really well with the product, and you get them for free. So the offer is like a no-brainer. Of course, no one takes single. You take the buy 2 get 5, and you get the hair remover for your washing machine for free. Then, if you get the customer to scroll down from your offer, you also show one more review. So we are bombing them with social proof. We have our quick questions that maybe they are thinking about. Because when they are landing on our landing page, we need to erase all the questions they have. What questions do you think the customer had directly? It's, of course, is this a good product? Does it work? What's the shipping policy? What's the return policy for this site? Can I trust this site? Can I leave my credit card here? Can I give them my money? Will I get my product? So that's the questions we need to answer directly. And that we do, of course, with social proof, that the customers see that other people have bought from this site, so they feel more secure to do that. Then directly we have a testimonial. Yes, and directly here we show the product in action with a GIF. And then we have some more reviews and a good photo of someone using the product. So you see what we are doing here. We are giving our customer trust in the website, and we're also showing the product that it works. And then why choose us? Again, showing the product in actions, and then the last questions they maybe have in an FAQ. And then we have our call to action in the below, and if you click here, you come up to the start again. So this is how I structure my landing pages. A lot of reviews, a lot of testimonials, a lot of showing your product in action, and micro-brand it. That's the 3 most important things. And of course, a really good offer. I will show you one more site, and this one is one more landing page. This one is done with Atlas AI. It's similar, of course, because I keep the same structure because it's working. So it's similar. This is a clothing piece, so a little bit different, but similar. You come in, you see directly, of course, how customers love our site, some reviews. You have our benefits. Then, of course, because this is a clothing thing, you have a size guide. Then you have our offer, buy 2 get 3, buy 3 get 5. And you have your add to cart, and then you have some trust symbols, most common questions. You have one more review. Then you see people using our product. This section is really powerful, showing that people are using our product. And this one I have done actually with AI, so you can really do this today easily. I have done this whole site with AI. It took me like 10 minutes to do the site. Then you had to go over it, of course, change a lot. And then I did these pictures also with AI. Like I said, it's called Atlas AI. It's an app you install on your Shopify store, and I have a link to it below also. Then we have some more about the product, what our customer says again, why customers love these leggings. We have some more trust, why we stand out. We have some more information about the product. And then we have our FAQ and call to action. So it's similar like the first, of course, and here you can see how it looks on mobile. So that's the most important thing. When you're doing your landing pages, please make sure it looks perfect on mobile. So to wrap this up, how you should structure your landing page, I will give you some simple tips. Microbrand it with your product picture. Your product pictures is really important. So microbrand it so it looks like a real brand, a good logo, a good color theme, 1-2 colors maximum, and keep it simple, keep it clean. Then after that, you will show directly trust from customers that have bought on your site. So you will show this. You will also show a testimonial directly. And if you don't have this part or something like that, move this part with testimonials up. You can have that first, below here, because the most important thing, what are you looking for? When you're going to Amazon or a site or something to shop, the first thing you will look at is not, of course, the text about the product or things like that. That the seller can write whatever they want, of course. We can fool our customers. What you want to see is real people that have bought from this site and give you trust that you can do it too. That is nothing will happen to your credit card or nothing like that. So you want to see testimonials, and that's what you should show them directly, your product in action. So show how your product works. Show some testimonials and some trust badges, not too much. You should keep it clean, keep it micro-branded, and have really good product photos. These are the things you really need to have. It's more important than talking about the product is to show your trust, show your testimonials and your product in action. Then, of course, have a really good offer. That's what's gonna take the visitors to customers, of course. And of course, to stand out a little bit extra, I recommend to use Shrine Theme or Atlas AI right now. That's my 2 favorite options right now. You can do this on free themes on Shopify, of course, but today the competition is getting stronger and everything with all the AI tools that's out there. So if you want to give yourself the best chance, I think these 2 options are really good. And I will leave link to them, both of them below. I will also leave a link to Shopify if you want to try it right now. They have it for $1 for 3 months, so $1 each month, $3 for 3 months. It's a really good deal. I don't know how long they will have that, so take advantage of that. And of course, I will leave a link to EcombyNik, my site, where I have released a total ecom blueprint, where you will learn how to microbrand, how to find your products, how to test, how to scale, how to build a brand. So if you want to learn that, you're welcome. And you also get access to me in that course. It's a one-time fee for lifetime access right now. So it's a really good deal right now. We are doing this in November, December. So feel free to use it. Look at all other videos on this channel. I think you will find a lot of good value. So, but otherwise, I will see you in the next video.